Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide a page on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Wix, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Hiding a page on your Wix website is useful if you want to keep it from being visible to visitors without deleting it. This can be done by either hiding the page from the navigation menu or by making it inaccessible to the public. Now, what I want you to do is hover to the sites and click on the website that you are working. Now, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the pages and menu. Once you've done that, for example, you might want to click on the site menu. You have the new page, how to add page, and a lot more. All you have to do is click this option that says hide from menu. It's very easy. You can do this, hide from menu. You can also go to the sign up and log in. All right. Go to portfolio pages. You see? Blog pages and a lot more. Of course, you have all of these for your disposal. Now, another option is, for example, this portfolio. If you wanted to restrict public access to a page, I want you to click on the three dots icon. Click on the settings. You see that? You can hide it from your menu if you wanted, or go to permissions. In the page settings, navigate to the permissions tab. You have the everyone, which is going to be making the page public. The password holders means you only let people with a password can access the page. All right. And you can set the page's password. For example, I'm going to be putting in some here. All right. Or in the site members, as you can see, that only site members can access the page and requires a members area. You have like all members, specific members, members with roles. You can even create a role here if you wanted. Members with plan subscriptions, create a plan, or site collaborators. Because by doing so, you just choose the option that best fits your needs for hiding the page. After you're done that, all you're gonna do is click on publish and then click on save. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.